money, he a hustler. Wake up in the morning, light a blunt up. Yeah, Freddy with that motherfucking cutter. I just fucked a bitch and then I double. Yeah, bitch, I sell the weed, I'm not a customer. Bitch, I'm the shit, not the plumber. Plus I'm too high to put under. We bust down this trap and all black, no Wakanda. I'm like, what's up with it? You came to fuck, not stay all night. I'm not a star, but my future is bright. They left me wrong, but I'm still doing right. I don't trust anyone, just Jesus Christ. Maintain my leverage, I'm never gon' fold. My path to greatness is in a long road. If you wanna fight me, you get jumped like a toad. My niggas go hard for this life that we chose. I ain't trippin' on shit. This is what comes with life. You wanna look, you better off rolling dice. I don't need no advice. All my niggas came in a fight, tryna knock a nigga out like a light. They say love don't bite. Well, it feels like it just might. Cause this bitch came with teeth all white. I give loyalty and spite. When I don't feel alright, I take drugs so I can get through the night. If I don't like the nigga, I won't act like his friend. With money comes power, and with power comes revenge. If I could, then I start the whole damn day over. I'm going through changes the more I get older. If you don't understand me, it's because you sober. My heart is heavy, it feels like a boulder. It feels like the weight of the world on my shoulders. She say her heart locked, I possess the decoder. My mama know I'm smoking in the house cause of the odor. Life is way more ups and downs than a roller coaster. I get to the bread like a motherfucking toaster. I ain't worried about the cops, I'm an experienced smoker. I am low life, I ain't never needed exposure. Bitches just leave me, we never get closer. Gun tucked in my pants, bitch, I don't need a holster. Play the card you handed unless it's a joker. He's too hot for planets, no need to panic. I need a whole thing, bitch, don't underhand it. Mama raised me, she ain't one in young minutes. I'm just trying to be the first rapper to make it out of Ennis. People change like seasons, play on you like tennis. I'm the good guy, but I'm still filled with bad feelings. Would you rather have the bitch or would you rather have the millions? If the cops ask, I don't know nothing about drug dealing. I ain't trippin' on shit. This is what comes with life. You wanna look, you better off rolling dice. I don't need no advice. All my niggas came in a fight, tryna knock a nigga out like a light. They say love don't bite. Well, it feels like it just might. Cause this bitch came with teeth all white. I give loyalty and spite. When I don't feel alright, I take drugs so I can get through the night.